Hello, everyone. Our discussion in our today's session is all about this module, safety. And to start with, let us first start with the hierarchy of control, which start first with the elimination process, followed by the substitution, then isolation, engineering control, administrative control, up to the down level of personal protective equipment. In this given inverted pyramid, first, let's talk about the elimination process. In the elimination process, we have to do this first, physically remove the hazard. And for the substitution process, make sure to replace the hazard. Isolate the civilian from the hazard or for the hazard, and isolate people from the hazard. Change the way people work for the administrative control. And for the bottom part of this inverted pyramid, we have the protect the worker with personal protective equipment. Make sure that all workers, or let us say construction workers, are having their own hard hat, just like, for example, safety belt and gloves or goggles. For the elimination process, since we're doing for this term, safety first, make sure that we're doing the elimination process correctly by doing this following. First, make sure services are disconnected when we talk about electricity. Ensure there are no risks of fire and explosion. Ensure separation of public and demolition activities. All of this because we are always after with the safety first. For the substitution process, in times of grinding or using the oxyacetylene, make sure of this. Use of power shears in place of grinding or oxyacetylene when there is fire risk. And then for the isolation process, be sure that you are familiarized with these following symbols as signages during the construction project. Install screens on equipment to protect from dust and noise. Install barriers and fences. Mark up hazardous areas. For the engineering control, install safe working platforms. Install edge protection. Use showing and bracing to support loads. Provide guarding to machinery. And for the administrative control, limit exposure time of workers to a particular hazard. Implement and document safe working procedures for all hazardous tasks. Make sure that all your personnel are well trained and instructed, maybe by giving them seminars or toolbox meeting, and make sure that you have a safety officer who is accredited by DOLE or Department of Labor and Employment, and then identify hazardous substances prior to work. For the personal protective equipments, make sure that each employee or manpower are having this personal protective equipments for their own protection during the project. First, we have the hard hat, safety glasses or the goggles, respirators, gloves, earplug, safety shoes, and of course, we have also the safety belt and other personal protective equipments that may be used or that can be used during the construction. Thank you very much, and God bless us all.